Alright guys, out here on Evergreen today, testing out our new drill augers. Both went with the same setup there, rigid octane with the 8-inch, is that light flight?
Yep.
Yep.
Light flight laser.
So we're about to give them a rip for the first times. Alright. And we got all the settings. Got it on the lowest drill setting 1, and then get it on drill. Yep. Alright guys, so when not in use, I'm just going to pull this off and store it in the jacket. But it's kind of warm today, so probably won't even need to do that. Start trying to make it a habit of covering my blades. Yeah. Oh, sweet. All right, guys, we're just setting up now. I'm gonna try it no bait at first. We are here. This is December 3rd. It's a nice warm day. We're on about 8 inches of ice, 5 inches clear, and about 3 inches cloudy. Oh, got one all over me already. All over it. I'm just using the Jeffrey. No bait so far. Got him. Alright.
Nice little trout.
Alright.
Are they marking down low or up high?
All the way at the bottom.
All the way at the bottom. Nice trout.
Yeah, it's actually decent for Evergreen. I got it on that Frostbite Blaze jig.
Alright, I might put it, how heavy?
I'm not 100% sure.
37.
Yeah, the little glow green one. And then I have it on like a yellow orangish head.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna throw this on the black.
He slammed it though. There's another one down there. There's another 2 down there.
Really?
Yep. Coming up to meet it. He's coming up to meet it. Oh, come on. Oh, I just got bit. Try this tube with some bait on it. Got it. Little baby. There's another one.
What we normally do is everything that's really fucking shallow and everything.
Got it.
Too shallow.
Oh,
we just go with
missed him. Now it's getting bit off. Oh, Judge, I just getting bit. Oh, I just got bit too. Might double up. Oh. Just double miss it. Oh, I got one on here for sure.
Shit. I do thank you.
Come on. Fast action right away. Oh, nibble, nibble. Set this jaw jacker back up. Oh, I've got tapped so many times about this damn fish. Got him. Yep. Slam. It's 3 no bait, 1 with bait. Slow lift up on him. Yeah. There he is. Yep. Yeah. Oh! Got him. Freaking finally. Come on, you little slimy turd. Got him. Slaying the little baby bows. Get him? Yes. We're on them hardcore out here, guys. Nothing too big, but it's pretty fast, hot action. Multiple on me right now. Decent little scrapper here. I think this one's going home for dinner. There we go. Nice little stalker rainbow for the frying pan tonight. So far, no bait has been outperforming the rig with tipped with bait. straight up to it instantly as soon as I got back down there. Got him. This setup is killing it, guys. So many fish and Jeffrey can last. And here comes another one. Oh, there he is. Yep. So you can't have that Jeffrey. Yes. Yes. Alright, guys. The night be babies, but it's all fun.
It's such a blast.
Yeah, exactly. We really wanted to put the drills to the test, but catching 20 fish an hour isn't a bad trade-off for that either.
Yep.
Jaw jacker just went off and he's still playing with it. Got him. Smoking them, guys. Even if they're babies, it's still all fun. Alright, guys, so original Jeffrey still. It's probably about 7 fish in. Alright, there's another one, guys. Right on cue. As soon as he marked, he came up and hit it. Seeing how many fish a Jeffrey could last. That's, I think, number 8. Oh yeah, you're gonna get smoked. Yeah. Oh, you got him. You got him. Yeah, he's just a baby. Go back and get the bigger ones. Nice. Whee! He's chasing it all the way back. He wants that.
Oh, see him.
Yep. He's coming back. He wants it. Yeah, he's pulling at the tail. That's what he's doing. Just, oh. Just got bit. Oh, is he still on there? Oh, just missed him. Oh, how's it? No way. Oh my God. I don't know how he's missing it. Oh, he's gonna smoke it again. Yes.
Got him.
Yeah, finally. He smoked that thing so many freaking times. Oh, there he is. Oh, still got him.
Hey, Joey called me and said that.
I got one. There's one. Go for that solo double. Oh, nice. Fuck yeah, dog.
Damn, little brownie.
Hell yeah. Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. Get him. Yes. Oh, here we go. Steven, double up. Steven. Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah, dog.
Oh, that's really nice and fucking speckled. That's
Right.
a really pretty fish.
Really pretty.
Yeah.
I'll let this guy go.
You on the jaw jacker?
Yep. Well, I set the I set the hook on him. Got him. He nailed it that time. Yep. Pretty little female. He's eating it. He's nibbling on it. Come on, just pull. There it is. Whoop, there it is.
On the jaw jacker?
Yep.
Nice. Nice one.
Yeah, there's some decent ones. You can come home to the table too, dog. These Gamakatsu hooks fucking stick them. There we go. It's 2 for the keeper pile. See if I could get down before I get bit. Oh. He's still on it. Yeah, he's still coming back for it. Oh, once they get a taste of the tube jig, they just don't want to stop. Oh, man, still using the original Jeffrey as well. Something's about to get bit. Yep, certainly is. Ah, get him.
The pink tube jig.
Nice.
Pink and chartreuse.
Heck yeah. Guess I gotta go coconut crab. All out of tubes. Just just sitting there and he took it. What a decent little bow. That's 3 keepers. I like that Jeffrey. Just is ridiculously fucking fire. It's like 15 fish on that shit and I haven't even changed one yet. Class there is like 13, 14 inches. Don't expect too much bigger than that from Evergreen. I think 15 incher is a nice one from here. We got a couple nice ones though. Bunch of dinks. Two.
2, 3 more down there.
Oh, get it with the other rod. Oh yeah, get that Jeffrey down. Definitely he's super interested.
Oh, there he was. Yeah, take care of him. There he is.
Get him. You. Alright. Bam. 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 Tubing, no bait?
2, no bait.
Hell yeah, we're just crushing them today. He's got the hot spot now. Yeah.
There's another one down there too. Juice. Oh my god, look at that, dude.
Oh, yep. He's back all over it. He's got a school. Very. Oh, he's coming. He's gonna chase it all the way back up. You got 2 on you. Yep. That's not even the fish. Dude, the other one's chasing it too. The other one's still down there chasing it. Yep. There's actually 2 more fish down there.
Oh, Jeffrey's gone. There's no Jeffrey left.
No Jeffrey left?
No, he ate it. That guy could finally moved it.
Dope. Good shit, man.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, got him. Yeah, Sleigh Fest. Finally. How's it going? Yeah, not too bad. Can't complain. Cannot complain one bit. Yeah, I'm about to get one on this one too. Yeah, it's been a pretty non-stop action for us. Nice.
Yeah, last time I came out here, I fell through, man.
Oh, no kidding.
Uh-huh.
Shit.
In April.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
It was kind of getting late, you know?
Oh, for sure, definitely. Getting those warm days again.
Uh-huh.
Got another one.
There you go.
Oh. We finally got that Jeffrey. Got like 20 fish on that one lure before he got it.
That's a nice trick on your auger. I've never seen that before.
With the drills?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
They usually got the big gas-powered
Yep.
thing sitting on there.
Yep.
Yeah, this is much
They're
different
pretty
than
freaking
that.
sweet.
It's this will go through ice pretty quick.
That's pretty wild, yeah. And it's got like a separate battery for it.
Normal 18-volt hammer drill,
Yeah.
but it's got 1,300 pounds of torque.
That's 8 inches of ice just like that.
A lot lighter than that gas auger.
Yeah.
The one I use is hand powered, you know?
Yep. That's it. Yeah, that's what I started off with. Yep.
What I had last year. I won't do that again.
I hear you. How about your buddy over here? Is he catching anything?
Who's that?
Nah, they just
Oh, got him. Yeah, I haven't talked to them yet. Little guy. Finally getting some hits on that little pink one though.
coconut crab?
Yep.
I'll go check up on them and see how they're doing.
Have a good day.
Yeah, man, y'all too. I'd say good luck, but it looks like you
Yeah. I gotta wish the fish luck.
There you go.
Oh, he's coming in hard. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh. Alright. Pick this one up off bottom. Oh, a nice one. Must be my 4th keeper. There we go. Woo! This one's in on it hard. Oh. Swing and a miss. He's coming back for it. Oh, he just nibbles. Come on. Come on. He wanted this. He wanted it. Whoop whoop! close to that 50 fish day, I think. He was waiting for me to turn that camera off. Oh, he just jizzed all over me. He just jizzed all over me. Fucking dick. Oh yeah, Steven's hooked up. Come on, take it. Take that jaw jacker. It's a dancer. Oh, got him. Come on, eat the jaw jacker. Another one down there. Just a sleigh fest today, guys. Ah, got off. Nice. Yes. Nice. Yeah, buddy. He just came in super hot. There he goes. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Oh, God, he just missed the jaw jacker. Oh, there he goes. He came back for it. He came back for it. Yeah, I just smoked it. Alright, guys, we're leaving Evergreen. We had a sleigh fest. 4.5 hours out on the ice. Well over 50 fish caught. Had lots of action. Most of it was little 13 fishing plastics with no bait. So alright, guys, until next time, peace out.